it's true. Oh, he can paint. Ooh, yeah, the man can paint. It's sad but true. So sad, so true. Kovar can paint, and so can you.
Hey guys, welcome back to Kovar Can't Paint. I'm Kovar, and I still can't paint, but man, I'm trying. Up there in the left-hand corner is my faithful canine Oreo. So today, I'm attempting to draw and color wash, ink and draw this cool painting that I saw online somewhere by Dominic Beyeler. I don't know this artist, but it just comes on my feed, and then I looked her up, or him. I don't even know him up. You guys let me know if you know. And here's their Facebook page that you can go and check out their work. Very, very cool. But the idea was to try to do this painting, but using a technique that I learned last week from an artist called Sketching Scotty. He's available on YouTube. You can definitely check him out, and you can follow his tutorials, and they're really cool, and his art is really cool, and he's very clear. But the technique I'm trying is the circle technique that he showed how to kind of draw a portrait of a person. And you put a circle on the paper, and then you kind of recreate that circle on your blank page, and then you use that as sort of a map to figure out where you're going and how far the lines are from that circle. And yeah, I just thought it'd be cool to try it on a different painting. So for this painting, I went in Photoshop and just added a circle and 4 dots to the painting, and just kind of used the circle to follow sort of the shape of his head, just kind of where there would be a circle. And then from there, I put 4 dots on my page, and then kind of imagined the circle. 5 dots actually. There's a dot in the center, and just to see how close I could get to copying the image freehand onto the page. If you guys are new to this channel, I'm just a beginner artist. I don't have any special training, and I've been using YouTube to just learn how to draw and how to paint. And every week I attempt a new painting, and so far I think this is my 28th painting in my life. And so each week I just try to see how much better I can get, and I just appreciate you guys hanging out and following along. Hopefully I'm getting better with each week, but I'm definitely learning a lot, and I'm having a lot of fun, and it's always great to hear your guys' comments and your suggestions, so please keep those coming. I love to read them. I really like this style, the ink and wash style. It's sort of cartoony, it's sort of animation looking, it's very expressive. And at the end of the day, I feel like you can get, a little bit further, a little bit faster. I feel like it gives a little leniency towards the learning curve, and that's always good for a beginner to feel like you're succeeding at something. But I really do like the way that ink and wash looks. I always respond to those paintings when I see them online. I definitely am challenged by by portrait and by human form, but it is what I like, and I'm excited to try to get better at that. I mean, I definitely did not nail the proportions of this guy. I mean, the top guy looks more like Johnny Depp, and I don't know if this guy looks a lot less like Johnny Depp, that's for sure. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know how you think I did, and Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
The man can paint. It's sad but true. So sad, so true. Kovar can paint. And so can.
It's pretty cool. I love it.